Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
So with that, we move on to the next topic. Now in this topic, we will see the usefulness of the wildlife. So we learned about how diverse and abundant our wildlife is. Now in this topic, we'll look at or we'll understand its usefulness, how it is useful to us, why it is useful, and why is there a need to conserve it? Why should we conserve our wildlife? What happens when we conserve our wildlife? Now, wildlife is very useful for all of us, not only for me, not only for you, not only for your teachers, it's useful for everybody because it is a very important natural resources, one of the important natural resources. Now, let's look at some of the reasons for its conservation. Why should we conserve it? Now, animals or wildlife, they provide us with a lot of things that we need and we consume it, okay? Those are milk, meat, wool, silk and hides or the skin from where we get the leather. And the insects like bees, they provide us with honey, another important ingredient or food that we need and we consume, okay? The second reason is wild animals and birds, they add to the beauty of the nature, but most importantly, they help maintain the ecological balance. Without them, the balance in the ecosystem would not be possible to be maintained. The third one, indiscriminate hunting of wildlife disturbs the ecological balance and leads to the extinction of some species altogether. So, if we keep on hunting down animals, okay, if we keep on killing the animals, the birds, okay, if we keep on destroying the forest where the animals and birds live, then that leads to the extinction of many species of wildlife. This is why what we have to do, we have to preserve and protect the wildlife, okay. The fourth, many birds and animals have already become extinct due to reckless destruction of forests. So, we have to make sure that our forests are not destroyed. Okay, we are not reckless in our activities, in what we do. Okay, so that with our reckless activities, the lives of the plants, the lives of the animals are not put in danger. Okay, or not, we do not make them become extinct. So that is also another reason why we should conserve. Now the last is we need to protect wildlife for our future generation. Now the need is for all of us. It's not me, it's not only you, it's not a small group of people or it's not the government. Okay, all of us, this is why needs to protect the wildlife. Protect means conserve, preserve and manage the conservation well, so that our future generation does not suffer, so that our future generation can get the natural resource provided by wildlife and vegetation as much as we are being provided. Okay,